Hi, Carla Zeitlin here with Core Personal Trainer in Santa Monica, California. Today, I want to show you a series of foam rolling exercises that you can do that's going to make you look and feel marvelous. Let's go ahead and start on your back with your feet flat on the ground and your spine nice and neutral. Go ahead and rock your hips forward and backwards. Inhaling here, exhaling and drawing your navel down into your spine, activating your deep transverse abdominis muscles. Now go ahead and take your legs up into tabletop position and work on core activation here, keeping the spine nice and neutral. Breathe. Okay, let's take it into toe taps next. Inhale, the foot comes towards the ground. Exhale, draw your navel and bring that leg back towards your body. Inhaling and exhaling. Neck and shoulders are nice and relaxed. Nice. Now let's go ahead and pick up the pace. You have to really work on core stability now. Inhaling and pull back on the exhale. Keep it going. Good job. Now let's go ahead and extend the leg out and exhale and flex it right back into your body. Inhale out, exhale, draw that navel in and pull back in. Spine is still neutral, neck is nice and long, shoulders are relaxed. Switching sides. By the way, this is an excellent exercise to help prevent diastasis recti if you happen to be pregnant. Good job, keep it going. Let's go ahead and take it into reverse crunches now to target the lower abs. Take a look at my feet. They're in dorsiflexion position with my feet flexed towards my body. So your toes are your anatomical focus point, and I want you to imagine your toes arcing over your head as you posteriorly tilt your pelvis to bring your legs back towards your body. This way you correctly work your abs instead of your hip flexors. Now we're going to move right into the long stretch. Inhale and tuck. Exhale and lengthen out your body. Inhale in. Exhale and reach everything out. Nice. Couple more. Keep your core nice and stable. Neck nice and long. Beautiful. Okay, moving into hip lifts to target your glutes, core, and legs. Inhale, prepare. Exhale and lift your hips up. Inhale down. Exhale and lift, squeezing your glutes. And into hamstring curls. Keeping hips lifted, abs tight, and spine neutral, I want you to roll the foam roller away, releasing the hips just a bit, and then pull it back, curling and contracting your hamstrings. Let's take it into single-legged hip lifts now to really isolate the hamstrings. Inhaling down, exhale and lengthening up and pressing into the heel of your foot. Keep the abs nice and engaged and aim for about 6 to 10 reps on each side. Switching sides, inhaling down, exhaling and pressing your hips up as high as you can, really activating your hamstring muscles. Nice. Okay, go ahead and relax into a nice piriformis stretch. Breathe and switch sides. Great. Okay, you're all warmed up. Time to move. Lateral jumps. Work on keeping your hips square and landing gently with your feet nice and parallel. Let's do about 10 jumps. Good job. Okay, this next exercise is going to warm up your whole body. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale and twist that foam roller between your legs. Inhale up, exhale and twist under. Good, you're working your whole body here, your arms, your shoulders, your back, your legs, and especially your obliques. Keep it moving. Last one. And into supported squats. Shift your weight into the heels of your feet with your toes turned out to isolate the inner thighs. This is a great exercise if you're pregnant, ladies. Try to do about 10 to 15 repetitions. Keep your back straight and exhale and contract your abs as you ascend. Now taking it into a more advanced squat, feet are parallel now to focus your quads, and you're going to lengthen that foam roller over your head, strengthening your posterior shoulder muscles. Let's take it into reverse lunges now. You can stick to the same side, or you can go ahead and alternate sides. Just lengthen up, step back into reverse lunge, and glide that foam roller along your sides. This is going to work your glutes, your obliques, your legs, your shoulders, your arms, everything. Let's grab some more reverse lunges, but this time I want you to lengthen that foam roller over your head, lengthening and stretching out your spine. 10 reps now. You got this. Well, no workout is complete without push-ups. This is particularly going to work your chest and your triceps. Start with full push-ups for as many as you can, keeping your core activated, chest lifted, and neck long. When you can't do any more, go ahead and drop down to your knees and burn it out. Great. Let's stretch out now. Inhale here, flattening the back. Exhale and flex up into a cat stretch. Inhale here and exhale and flex. Nice. Front plank variations. You can either just hold your front plank if it's challenging enough, or you can take it into these single leg lifts, which integrate your glutes too. Or you have the abductions and adductions like these. You bring your leg up, away from your midline and back. Or you can do this one where you extend your hip, pull your knee to your elbow, working those side obliques, and stretch back. Now let's try these plank variations that target your obliques and love handles. This is a same side knee to elbow crunch. And this is a crossover oblique crunch. Make sure to keep your abdominals engaged and exhale into the crunches. Good job. Finally, let's try the same side knee to elbow variation with a butt blaster kickback. Can you give me 6 to 8 on a side? Come on, you've got this. These are top. And switch sides. Don't forget to keep your abs tight, neck long, and breathe. And go ahead and take it into a downward dog stretch. This next exercise is going to give you a firm and shapely touch, curtsy squats. One of my all-time favorite exercises. First, let's try some beginner curtsy squats using the foam roller for support and integrating balance stances. Do about 6 on each side and shift your weight into the back leg to really isolate your glutes. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and do alternating curtsy squats, and we're going to incorporate the upper body too, using the foam roller. Inhaling and lengthening, exhaling and gliding through. So now you're working arms, shoulders, and obliques too. And now let's just go take it into a nice lateral flexion stretch. Inhale, lengthening up. exhale and flexing over. A core training workout isn't complete without a side plank. This is an up-down side plank. You're going to drop your hips and then lift up, engaging your abs and pressing off the mat as high as you can go. Be careful, you have to really stabilize on that foam roller. Let's go ahead and complete our workout with a nice mermaid stretch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale and flex it over. Inhale here. Exhale and over. Pull that foam roller in. Press it out and flex. Great job, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had a great time with you. I hope I was able to teach you some new things now that you can do with the foam roller. And if you liked what you saw today, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and follow me because I'll be sharing a lot of other great core training videos in the future. Have a great day.